Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today for DLS Design to share with you this letter size layout created using the 13 Tales of Summer collection. So I have a letter size piece of paper, and then you can see those 3 square photos. I trimmed off from one of the Peach Basics just a 1/2 inch strip that I'm going to put down at the bottom of the page to anchor the layout, and then work from there. So I was inspired by this stamp set that you see. I love those clouds, and with just about every DLS design collection that I've gotten, in the ephemera pieces, there's always this sort of long cloud-looking scalloped piece. It's a long border piece that's scalloped, and they look kind of like the clouds. And I thought that these clouds would look fun with those long scallop pieces as clouds to sort of set the scene of this layout. So I stamped them on a piece of the paper pad with just a light multicolored background. They look like confetti to me, or sprinkles, like cookie sprinkles, biscuit sprinkles. And so that was what I wanted to do for the top. And I love the way that the rectangle of the letter size piece of paper sort of provides some proportional balance in design concept to the square photos. I love square photos, but sometimes the square photos on a square page just make the page look really boxy. And I like the way that this added more of a vertical component to it. And then you have the horizontals, which add even more length visually to the page. So I am now going to stamp on the page. And in the stamp set, in the whole collection, there are stickers that are rectangles with these little lines. They're almost like to create sort of, what are they called? Yes or no decision trees, to create a decision tree. And so you can see that there are stamps. There are 2. I'm using just the long one with the short vertical, but there's one with a longer vertical. So I'm using those to just tie into the stickers that also come with the collection that I want to use as decor elements on the page. And you'll see I will place those stickers in a minute. So the stamps colors, or the ink colors, pardon me, that I used, I believe I used fossilized amber and festive berries, and I'm pretty sure the other one is Mariner, Uncharted Mariner, or the ones that I wanted to use that match the collection. I wanted sort of that darker blue instead of the lighter blue like I've got in the clouds there. So always tons of fun ephemera pieces in the DLS design collections. So this is the sun hat, which is not quite on my head, but still breaks up that line of squares in the photos there. And of course I popped that for some dimension. So that's pretty much going to be all of the decor for the top third of the page. And then I have this nice giant white space that I pretty much want to leave white space, but I'm going to put subtle texture and design into that space below that will have a little bit of ephemera as well as some title and journaling. So I was working off camera by accident there. My page is down a little bit low, but there's a half circle ephemera element with some words there you can see that go a wrap around the top. And I don't actually have the page in front of me as I'm voicing this over, but it has to do with summer and spending time together. So another rectangular element that breaks up the boxiness of those squares, and that my intent is to journal in that. And so everything I am stamping other than those decision tree lines is in black so that I have that contrast to the black that's in the photo. There's some great phrase stickers about the beach and summer that come with the collection if you order the collection as a kit. You can also order one-offs. I believe these are all still available, as well as those are the decision-making bubbles I'm going to go with. They're actually not bubbles, but they're rectangles. And my thought was that I would do a decision-making tree about going to the beach, but I kind of liked it just the way that it was, and I didn't want to make it too boxy. So another one of the stamps that's in the stamp set is summer. There's love and summer in this really cool outlined font. So I used summer there, and my intent is to use the puffy stickers for send-off. So I placed that sticker down, but I didn't want, it felt like everything was all clustered into the center of the page there, and so I moved it down to above that journaling block there. So you can see it's really subtle, those little rectangles, but it adds a fun element to the page there. Another piece of the ephemera that I just popped up, and you can see I have this whole cluster of stickers that are just down the bottom, so that in essence this is created, while there's very much a horizontal component to it, the design is actually created on the diagonal, going down from the top left to the bottom right, where you can see very obviously all of those elements on the bottom right there. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of the epoxy dots into the page. This is also a locator tag that I'm just going to use down at the bottom. I believe it says location. And so I put one of those before that. And then I'm just sprinkling a few dots for some extra texture as well as color up to the top of the page there. I love the way that this turned out. It's very, very clean and very simple, but yet uses a lot of the elements from the kit. So these are the puffy stickers that I'm just going to finish off my title with. And so it's going to say Summer Send-Off. This was the last trip that Mia and I went on before she had to go back to school in 2020, I want to say 2022. So that's going to wrap it up, my friends. Enjoy the close-ups. If you have any questions, DLS design, please don't hesitate to ask them in the box down below, and I will do my best to answer. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.